Yes, sir. Welcome to Dips World, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, so today what we're gonna do is get all this shit out this inner frame. Start putting it back together. Go from there, one piece at a time. The tough part is gonna be finding the bolts. But I think we can go to the bolt store and get the bolts. I got one side of everything, so I think I can make it work. Figuring out what size bolts is which. Yeah, stay tuned. Peace.
There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. I never knew that you could be this nice, but homes bring you in for one hell of a price. With no additives, one piece all white, and you stay tatted up the way I like. Now come here, girl, let me break you off and get you right. And me and you can hit the block and dance all night. I know you know that I fuck around with Mary Jane, but the truth is Mary Jane ain't my main. You is, that's why I treat you like this, cause you like my wrist and you buy me that shit. I wouldn't have never ever had this ever. That's why I say the white girl do me better. There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. Now through the years, me and you been getting real close. And fuck them other hustles, I depend on you the most. Just to get to me, you be on the road for days. Depending on the interstate, you come from different ways. Texas, sometimes from Michigan. You be coming through the A just to get to me again. Planes, trains, you be riding everything. Yeah, I fuck for ecstasy, but I'm in love with cocaine. Cocaine, that's a real good name. Yeah, you help the nigga out when you put me in the game. Yeah, I fucks with your girl sincerely. I know a lot of other niggas that feel me. There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. There you go again, coming in and going out. It's things like you that made me appreciate the drop. Here I go again, cutting the package out for you. Better drop you in the pot, girl, and see what you can do. It's a beautiful life. The way I live, the way I'm shining, the way I hustle, the way I'm grinding, the way I stack dough. It kept climbing. I'm so icy. Man, I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and pop tags. The clothes I had on yesterday and throw them in the trash. I'm a self-made nigga, I ain't never had shit. I got up on my ass, hit the block and got rich. I'm a product of the OJ, stuck to an old way. Throw that money like a fresh young OJ. Thought I wouldn't make it, got them haters pissed off. About to send the coast gang to break them niggas off. While I'm riding in a coupe with no motherfucking lights, yo. Light hit the ice like I'm riding with the brakes, yo. 20 grand on my neck, yeah, that's the good life. Yeah, nigga rich, but I'm still in the hood life. The way I live, the way I'm shining, the way I hustle, the way I'm grinding, the way I stack dough. It kept climbing. I'm so icy. Just look at the diamonds. A beautiful life, a beautiful life, a beautiful life.
This life's so beautiful, so beautiful.
Yeah, I like to rock the old shoes, but I'm in the new chain. Brand new vet, same color as the Hoover game. My shoes fly, hell fly, like Luke Kane. SS in the meter, blueprints on how to do things. Cause he know I move lanes, get them up in groups, man. I'm so hot, hell hot, like propane. Man, I'm a trap star, I'm a trap star. Get them cross the border, put them in a fast car. Something like a NASCAR, zoom, bitch, I'm out of here. First gear, second gear, hocus pocus disappear. You can't catch me, so please don't try it. You can set you up a roadblock, I'm zooming right by it. The way I live, the way I'm shining, the way I hustle, the way I'm grinding, the way I stack dough. It kept shows, making money, selling versus fucking hoes. Popping bottles in the club, I ain't talking dime P. Mixing lean with the Sprite. Major labels try to stop me, I'ma need a million. I'm about to dub, basically take over the building. Keys to my knees, all my money to the ceiling. When my album drop, homie, I'ma make a kill. Counting all the stupid dough, yeah, this is heaven sent. Shout out to the Coast Gang, yeah, I'm the president. It's beautiful life I'm in, I'm living it. It's money, cars, and clothes, yeah, it's a beautiful life. The way I live, the way I'm shining, the way I hustle, the way I'm grinding, the way I stack dough, it kept climbing. I'm so icy, just look at the diamonds. A beautiful life, a beautiful life, a beautiful life.
This life's so beautiful, so beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, Peasy Boy the Ball. What up, Dip? C2C, I see you. Ain't no time for that broke shit, man. We already fixed that. Holla at your boy.
To a millionaire, yeah, that's me, nigga. Blowing kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend. Blowing kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend. That's me, nigga, posted on the block. A throwaway Glock and a bomb full of rocks. Chronics pull up and a nigga got a sprint. I just got this quarter-ounce, I gotta hit a lick. Yeah, I chop them down thick, just so they'll go quick. And I keep it straight drop, bitch, with no water whip. Hustling ass niggas never really did the math. But if I get 20 from a cutie, homie, that's a half. Yeah, that was the younger days, now I'm in the big league. They used to come in VCRs, now they come in big screen. I hustle hard and that's the way it's gotta be, nigga. Catch me in that flying spur, that's me, nigga. Kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend. Blowing kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend.
What up, Dip? Don't trip, kick back and just let the paint flip. This whip gripping dip while floating on chrome lips. And we ride, get high, flip high just for the green guy. Turn boots to the roof, serve chickens like Popeye. And voila, I ball like MJ, but like King James. 23 on the white, but the pounds for 13. Now the lean, you know it's purple, yellow, or green. And the code when you shop, I want that gangster lean. I mean, real deal niggas, hood millionaires. Swing old school whips like T-Top Camaro. Stack cheese, slang keys with creases in my jeans. With my Gucci pocket double on the first and 15.
Blowing kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend. Blowing kush in the air, like I don't care. Stacking up my cheese to be a hood millionaire. Since I was 16, there was creases in my jeans. With rocks in my pocket, chasing at the dope fiend.
Black Mob.
Yeah, and still I rise. Yeah, they can beat me with their words and they can talk they shit, but I'm still shining, boy, so you can suck my dick. See my spirit so strong, it's like I'm high in the clouds. And you can never pull me down. Y'all gave us sugar water, so we made lemonade. Y'all put us in the trap, so in the trap we got paid. No food, no rent, no water, no clothes. No way to make heat, so man, we froze. 20 years later and we shining, baby. Stacking cheese up, cause we grinding, baby. Made me who I am and I never take it back. This straight from the heart and that's a motherfucking fact. I rise from the bottom to the top, from a quelly to a drop, from a rock to a block.
Yes, sir. So this is what we got. I just got the headlight sitting in there. Got all these done. Oh yeah, we gotta put the duct work in before we put the headlight in, so that's gotta come back out. All we lack now is glove boxes and really that's it. And speakers. As soon as the speakers get here, as soon as this guy get up off his fat, you know what, go get some speakers, we'll be able to get them in here. But it's getting there slowly but surely. So I'm about to take this headlight back out, put these ducts in, screw them in, put the headlight back in, and then that's gonna be pretty much. Oh yeah, I'll put the glove box covers on. So yeah, stay tuned. Yes, sir. So this is what we got going on now. Headlight in, all the speaker pods in, tightened up, everything ready to go on that end. So this is what we about to do. We about to put this ignition in next. Put this ignition in and put these glove box doors on. Might turn it over, might not, just to see what all light up and stuff. But yeah, so we're about to put this ignition in, glove box doors on. Stay tuned. I forgot to record, but the ignition is in. Feeling good too. It's a nice brand new ignition. So next thing is glove box doors. And then might see what I'll light up on it. See. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. So this is what we got going on. We got the headlight in, all the stuff for the speaker pods, the vents in, everything that going on the road glide situation. So the next thing in the next episode, hopefully the wheel will be here tomorrow, so we can get that in, get that on. And sheesh. Let me see what else. The highway bar, floorboards, tank cover, tank dash. And that's basically it. Change the oil, and this thing will be done. I appreciate y'all staying with me, checking out the build. The rebuild, rather. It ain't really a build. It's just taking off all the old and putting on the new. So I appreciate y'all checking it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.